Unique mountain exteriors, contemporary architecture inspired by nature. Introduction: Embracing Nature in Architecture. Welcome to the Nookup YouTube channel, where we explore the fascinating world of architecture and interior design. In today's video, we will delve into the realm of unique mountain exteriors, showcasing contemporary architecture inspired by the beauty of nature. These stunning designs not only complement their surroundings but also redefine the way we think about living in harmony with the environment. If you're passionate about innovative design and want to see more, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Let's embark on this journey through architectural creativity that reflects the majesty of the mountains. Nature as a design blueprint. Contemporary mountain architecture often takes cues from the natural landscape, with designs that mimic the shapes and textures found in the environment. Architects frequently use elements such as rocky outcrops, rolling hills, and the surrounding flora to inspire their creations. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the buildings but also fosters a deeper connection between the structure and its natural surroundings. By using forms that echo nature, these designs create a sense of belonging within the landscape, making the homes feel as though they have always been a part of the environment. Material selection, grounded in nature. One of the defining features of unique mountain exteriors is the choice of materials. Natural resources such as stone, wood, and glass are commonly used to create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Stone cladding can evoke the ruggedness of the mountains, while timber elements add warmth and a sense of coziness. Large glass panels serve to open the home to its surroundings, allowing occupants to enjoy breathtaking views while also flooding the interior with natural light. This careful selection of materials not only enhances Emphasizing sustainability. Sustainability is a cornerstone of contemporary mountain architecture, with many designs focusing on eco-friendly practices. Architects are increasingly incorporating energy-efficient features such as solar panels, green roofs, and rainwater harvesting systems. These elements not only reduce the carbon footprint of the homes but also allow residents to embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, thoughtful site planning ensures that the natural environment is preserved, with minimal disruption to the landscape. By prioritizing sustainability, these architectural marvels reflect a commitment to protecting the environment while providing comfortable living spaces. Open spaces and fluid layouts. Another hallmark of unique mountain exteriors is the emphasis on open spaces and fluid layouts. These designs often feature large, open-plan living areas that encourage social interaction and provide an inviting atmosphere. The absence of unnecessary walls allows for a seamless flow between different functional areas, creating a sense of unity throughout the home. This approach is particularly effective in mountain settings, where expansive views can be appreciated from various vantage points within the home. The integration of outdoor living spaces, such as decks and patios, further blurs the lines between inside and outside, enhancing the overall living experience. Innovative roof designs. Roof designs in contemporary mountain architecture often defy traditional norms, introducing unique shapes and materials that contribute to the overall aesthetic. Sloped roofs are common, mimicking the natural contours of the surrounding landscape while also aiding in snow runoff during winter months. Additionally, some designs incorporate green roofs, which not only provide insulation but also create a habitat for local wildlife. These innovative roof solutions not only enhance the visual appeal of the home but also demonstrate a thoughtful approach to environmental considerations. Integrating outdoor spaces. Unique mountain exteriors place a strong emphasis on outdoor spaces that extend the living area beyond the walls of the home. Patios, balconies, and terraces are often designed to take advantage of stunning mountain views, providing residents with a space to relax and connect with nature. These outdoor areas can be adorned with fire pits, comfortable seating, and landscaped gardens, creating an inviting environment for gatherings and quiet contemplation alike. By integrating these spaces into the overall design, architects ensure that the experience of mountain living is fully embraced, allowing residents to enjoy the beauty of their surroundings. Harmonizing with the environment. A key principle in contemporary mountain architecture is the concept of harmony with the environment. Designs are carefully positioned on the site to minimize disruption to the landscape and to maximize the natural beauty of the surroundings. This may involve orienting the home to capture the best views or using terrain features to create natural barriers. The result is a structure that feels like a natural extension of the landscape, blending seamlessly with its environment. This commitment to harmony not only enhances the visual appeal but also enriches the living experience, fostering a deep connection with nature. Cultural influences on design. Mountain architecture often reflects the cultural influences of the region, incorporating local design elements and traditions into the overall aesthetic. This can include the use of specific materials, architectural styles, and decorative motifs that pay homage to the cultural heritage of the area. By weaving these cultural elements into contemporary designs, architects create homes that are not only visually striking but also deeply rooted in the history and traditions of the region. This connection to culture enriches the living experience and provides a sense of place, making each home a unique expression of its environment. Conclusion: the future of mountain living. In conclusion, unique mountain exteriors represent the perfect marriage of contemporary architecture and the natural world. By drawing inspiration from nature, utilizing sustainable practices, and emphasizing open spaces, these designs redefine what it means to live harmoniously with the environment. As we continue to explore innovative architectural concepts, it's essential to appreciate the beauty and creativity that these mountain marvels embody. If you found this exploration of contemporary mountain architecture inspiring, please subscribe to Nook Up, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We look forward to bringing you more insightful content on architecture and interior design.